Okay, so the web components help developers to create a custom and reusable HTML tags that can be used in web apps, just like standard HTML tags. Angular provides the elements package, which helps export Angular components as a web components. Web components are based on four terminologies or technologies. One is a custom elements. The custom elements are another name for web components. And the shadow DOM, this will allow you to create custom elements which are isolated from the rest of the HTML document, then ES modules and the HTML templates. Okay, for creating a web components or custom elements, we need to have created one Angular project. Then we will have fully working Angular component. In our case, we'll create a news component and we'll test the application by running it. Okay, so after we create project and the fully working component, we'll now going to create a web component. For creating a web component or custom element, we'll follow these steps. First, in our Angular app, we use the @angular slash elements package to create a web components. So to add this elements package to our Angular project, we'll use the ng add @angular slash elements command. So this will add the elements package to our application. Then we'll change target in a tsconfig.json file. The target will be the ES 2015. So actually there is one known issue with the lesser target than the ES6 or ES 2015. So we have to change this target. Then inject the injector in a app module. So this is the constructor of app module, and we have injected the injector, as we can see here, private injector, which is type of injector. Then create the element using create custom element method. From this the method is from Angular slash element package. So as we see here, in a constructor we have injected the injector, and then we have uh, created the element using this create custom element method, and we are passing the component, and we are passing the object which is having the injector property, and that property is the uh, which is having this uh, injector. And the next is will use the define method of custom elements, that is custom elements dot define, and will pass the name of the web component, and the second is the element which is created using the create custom element method, as we see here. Then the next step is build the project for generating component. So we use this command to build the project, ng build dash prod, and then we'll pass this flag dash dash output dash hashing none. So this command will generate uh, uh, 5 files in our dist folder. As we see here, we have generated these 5 files: runtime.js, es2015-polyfills.js, polyfills.js, scripts.js, and the main.js. So once we generate our web component, we'll use that web component in our HTML document anywhere. So for that, we'll take that 5 files from dist folder, and we'll add that 5 files, script files, to our project. So as we see here, we have added these 5 files in index.html using this script tag. As we see here, we have added this runtime.js file, then es2015-polyfills.js file, and polyfills.js file, script.js file, and the main.js file. And we are using this, sorry, and we are using this no module attribute for the script tag, where we have loaded this es5 2015-polyfill.js. So this way we have loaded the all the generated script for our newly created web component. And the next step is we'll write that custom component in a web page, as we see here. This news dash widget, as we have created this widget using the custom elements dot define method, we are using the same name here, news dot widget. This name is of our web component. And then we'll just run our web page on server. We can see the news widget rendered in our web page.